Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the all new Moto G6 with us. In this video we'll unbox this device and see the first look of it. This is how the box looks like, and along with green and a yellow box, I'm sipping the same colored drink today. So let's just quickly unbox it. So on the top we have the Moto G6. We'll keep the phone aside for a while and directly see what is there inside the box. So this is a readme guide and some safety information. After that we have the turbo power charging adapter, which has an output of 5 volt 3 ampere. We have these basic earphones, a SIM ejecting tool, and a Type-C charging cable. So this is all what we have inside the box. If we talk about the looks have been enhanced a lot from the last generation. Back is of glass, front is of glass, based on aluminium frame. It is quite good to hold in the hand, as the screen is 5.7 inches, 18:9 aspect ratio, max vision display. This back is a 3D glass. You can see that it looks really shiny, and the color here is indigo black. It's neither blue or neither black. It has just a tint of blue, which is making it look quite premium. Especially this dial area looks very nice, although the bump is a little too much at times, but if we get the back cover put in properly, then it might protect the glass. So the resolution of the screen is 1080 by 2160, and the screen to body ratio is 75.4%. It is not totally bezel-less. The bottom bezel and the top bezel is thick, although this could have also been slimmer. So as there is this fingerprint sensor given at the bottom bezel, so it has become a little wider. Also, it has the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and the glass is splash proof here. The weight is around 167 grams. It does not feel heavy in the hand at all, and the thickness is around 9 mm. Here we have the earpiece and a front camera of 16 megapixel with flash. On the bottom bezel we have the fingerprint sensor and the mouthpiece. So this is very nice. They have given a dedicated microSD card slot along with 2 Nano-SIMs slot. So this could be expandable up to 256 GB. And then there is this noise cancellation mic. On the left panel there is nothing at all. On the right side we have the volume button and the power button. They have a very nice, the power button has a very nice texture, tactile feedback, metallic tactile feedback. On the bottom bezel, the lower part, we have a C-type charging port and a 3.5 mm audio jack. And here, let's come to the back. Back is the most favorite part in all Moto phones, since they have launched this this kind of a formation of the camera. I really like the sundial formation. So on the back we have a dual camera setup, which is a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup, Moto tagging. So it says model Moto G6, Android version 8.0. Battery is around 3000 mAh, which runs all day long, and also it has turbo power charging, which charges the phone in a span of few minutes only. Talk about the RAM and the storage part. So this variant is 64 GB variant with a 4 GB RAM and storage 64 GB. So let's run through the camera first. So the back camera is a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. We have good features like low light mode, selective focus, spot coloring, time lapse, and many others. So it has auto HDR setup and flash. So let's go to the front camera. That's very good 16 megapixel front camera, and the photo modes are group selfie, face filters, slow-mo, time lapse, and again more face filters in the video front camera mode. One is this is a selfie, very nice sharp colors, which is not distorting the skin tone at all, and neither the features are going blurred. It's very sharp and crisp. Nice. So taken some selfies in the beauty mode and some in the normal mode. All have turned out to be really nice and smooth. So at times, you know, in few brands the face beauty feature like literally blurs out all the features of your face, which this is not doing. It is, the face beauty is also good. You can see that. And this is the best one which I like. So I spotted this greenish color and used the spot color feature. So it has highlighted only the green color and made all the other colors to be black and white in the grayish tone. Let's check this out. This very nice. It's taken from a far away, taken really far away. I've taken this picture from like quite far, but you can see if I just zoom in, it has all the details here. Nice. So this was the all new Moto G6 for you guys, and it is available on Amazon and Moto Hubs at a price range of 13,999 for the 3GB variant and 15,999 for the 4GB variant. That's it for this video. I'll be back soon with another tech videos. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.